Non-cookie BJP MLAs are expected to hold a meeting today in line with the efforts to form a popular government in the state. According to a reliable source, BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sharda has invited all non-cookie BJP MLAs through written representations to join the meeting, which is being planned to be held at Thambal Shanglit, located at Nithe Park, to take from 5 p.m. onwards without fail. As such, all the non-cookie MLAs are likely to take part in the meeting. However, it is uncertain whether Nambol Assembly Constituency MLA T.H. Basantakumar, who is currently out of station, will join the meeting or not. It may be mentioned that President's rule under suspended animation has been imposed in Manipur since February 13 this year, after N. Biren resigned as Chief Minister of the state on February 9. It is also worth mentioning that the public have been demanding to form a popular government while expressing discontent over the inaction of the President's rule government in the state.